Alright, back to Willy Wonka. Gonna finish our last $8 on this machine. And then we'll probably come back later. This is next to our hotel, but this is Pigeon, so I know there is at least 4 arcades. So we will check out the other arcades and decide which one we're going to spend all our money at this weekend. I'm leaning towards Arcade City, but like I said, I want to check out all the arcades first. See which ones I really like. So I got 100 plays on this. Robert got 4 jackpots on the beanbag, so there's actually still room for another jackpot. It's one of those, it takes forever to load tickets. I know, I'm like, this is Mike TV, I think he's going to keep falling, but he has not moved whatsoever. None of these cards are really moving. It is, okay. Sorry, I got excited there. I felt like maybe he is going to move. Oh, he's moving a little. Here comes the card. It keeps going to the left. I want it to go to the middle to help me. And no, that did not do anything. Oh. Oh, there we go. I got 2 cards. Alright, what should I do now? I still think I'll focus right here. How many tickets we got?
2236.
2236.
So you earned a whole 236 tickets.
No, did you always get the jackpot? You got some, okay.
This doesn't earn points?
It does.
Okay.
It earns every time you get a Wonka bar.
I was going to say only...
Less than 100. I'm sure I've earned less than 100.
Alright.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because it's 1 point, and then sometimes the spin bonus.
It's crazy.
I know, thank you for the 2,000 tickets. Well, before we leave here, we'll look at the game room real quick to see, prize room, I'm sorry. We'll look at the prize room to see if there's anything to work forward to. If not, well, we're going to have to get something, because like I said, these don't carry forward, so whether it's a crap prize or not, we will be cashing in his 2,000 tickets. And then hopefully they reset the machine, and he can do it again tomorrow. We'll have to see what time they open. I think it's either 10 or 11. We're going to go to Dollywood tomorrow. But I bet these places stay open till 10. Alright, bonus. Give me a golden ticket. Golden tickets. No, see, 15 tickets. That's our last two. $22.50. Thank you, honey. Oh, that was a good help. See, that's what I like sometimes when they toss the cards. That really helps. Now, if I get her to fall a certain way, she can help even more. Maybe. I want her to go this way. No. Yes. No, it didn't help. It kind of helped a little. Oh, they're playing Christmas music. That's good. Alright, maybe I'll get this Oompa Loompa. Come on, Oompa Loompa. Come home with me. I'm so glad on these machines, they did the original Willy Wonka and not the Johnny Depp Willy Wonka. I like them both, but the original is still my favorite. You knew a big car.
I was waiting for somebody to go over there. This one kid went over there. There was some sitting on the edge, and he just went over and threw them.
Oh.
Thing. Well, you're not playing the game.
No.
All you're doing is messing up for the
Alright, bonus time. What are we gonna get? Oh, no golden ticket. Oh, come on. Am I not even gonna get these cards? one plays, please let me at least get these two. Please, at least get these two.
So close.
I know. That's going to be an empty, filling up an empty gap. Here we go. No.
Well,
Ooh,
they're
so
starting
close.
to downturn, so that's good.
All right, there we go. All right, good, I got him. That makes me happy. 22. I don't think I can win another card with 22 plays, so I'll just focus on the middle. I don't want to like make someone else have an almost win, so I'll just focus on the middle. You know what I'm saying? Because if I work on the right, I'm still not going to win it, and it just helps someone else. So let's just do the middle.
They're really trying. They're really trying. There's 3 of them.
It has some streaks,
Yeah.
just not enough. Alright, ooh, I am gonna get I do have enough plays to do one more bonus spin. So, as much as I want a golden ticket, oh, these are one of these, oh, this game is an instant win. If you get a golden ticket. It looks like it will fall in the chute and not on the playing field. And it's 10 shots. You know how some Willy Wonkas, it will fall on the playing field? This looks like it's gonna fall in the chute. Here comes the card.
All of my most secret inventions are
Oompa Loompa. This music is so loud I can't hear his quotes. And it's supposed to say I want a bar of chocolate. It's not saying that. Why is it not saying I want a bar of chocolate? Alright, 3 more. Alright, last shot.
Shall we roll on?
Yes, we shall roll on to the next arcade. Alright, so we did get... I actually got 4 that round.
4 of them going.
There you go. Alright, I'm going to do a quick walk around so you can see what is here at this arcade city. It is a bit bigger than the other ones I've been to. They have... It's kind of comparable to Branson. A bunch of claw machines, across the road. Big drop, really big drop. It's pretty busy right now. It's a little late. Wizard Oz. Down?
Yeah.
Wasn't it like at 90 something?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good. Just trying to see if they had anything like... Sometimes the one in Arcade City has like a huge squishies. They don't have those here. Oh, there's the DC one version. The Lord's Class squishy. Pirate free drink. Look at all those stuffed animals. are these ticket catcher machines? This is like, we have 4 of these.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's interesting. They have the plush they have the prices all over the place.
Yeah, they do.
Not just. Oh, and they do have, like, you redeem the cards here. Where's the red ball from? Oh, baseball.